What's up everyone, I'm back from my vacation and it's been like 3 weeks or something, not 2 weeks, and it's been a week since I arrived, so it's been a month since the Salamander Ecosphere video is been posted. You can see some changes already. The snails are a lot bigger now. There is one downside: Sheldon sadly has passed away. There is its shell from Sheldon. Probably from natural causes, because all the other inhabitants are doing very well. The snails and, if you can believe it or not, our salamander. I haven't named it yet. If you have any name suggestions for it, put it in the comments. Where is it? It was down, yeah, here it is. Here you can see it. To my surprise, it hasn't grown a lot. It won't focus, but I'll get a, yeah, here you go. But the legs are more distinct, they're clearly visible now, and it has just grown a little bit. So maybe because of the limited supply of oxygen and food, the salamander will grow very slowly. I have to look up how fast they normally grow to really know that, but I would imagine it would grow a little faster. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's not very big yet, which is actually pretty good because now I can keep it a lot longer in the ecosphere. As you can see, the plants are also doing very well. Oh, he's on the move, or she. It's probably an alpine newt, because these were the ones I kept in the salamander enclosure I had a few weeks ago or months ago. Watch the previous salamander video if you're not familiar with this setup or how this came to be. Link in description. But yeah, and another little update, I'm going to show you my plant room. I also made a plant room video a few months ago. So this one has definitely grown a lot. These are all new leaves, like there in the above are all new leaves, which is awesome. I think it's like there couldn't be a nicer spot for that. Then these epiphytes are all, or air plants, are also still alive. They're the same. And look at this, my white princess, like my most valuable plant, like in size comparison, is twice the size already since I bought it. So it's already a lot more valuable. Then this one is new. It's Alocasia zebrina. It's, well, I just love it. It's new, also grown a lot since I've had it. My Philodendron squamiferum, almost twice the size also. This one, also a lot bigger, another Alocasia. The little coffee plant is the same, hasn't grown a lot. But then here. This is new, this is a Rhipsalis. It's actually a cacti species. It hangs down here. And then this one is also new since the plant room update. I got it for free from someone. It was really a coincidence. I got very lucky because these, well, I had to prune it and it wasn't doing very great. But I'm gonna show you the other view. Let's go up the stairs. Look at this. Here is where it really grows. This is all new growth since I got it. Because of the window, of course, where all the light is. Then here my monkey fist, also twice the size, my begonia also. And then this Scindapsus is also a lot bigger. So the plant room is just doing great. And here at my other room, look at this banana. At least twice the size since like 2 to 3 months ago. As well as this aloe vera. And this is also new, I think. It's an aloe boracensis or something like that. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if you like my videos and want to see more updates like this. And see you next time.